What's up guys, Abhishek here on Droid Therapy. Welcome back to another brand new video. For some time now, I was on the search for a good pair of headphones on a budget. After a little bit of research, I skipped the boat and purchased the JBL T110 pure bass earphones. Is it worth the price? Let's find out. Before I begin, I would like to clarify that I am not an audiophile and I am like anybody else who loves listening to music. Many a times I am not even aware of the genre I am listening to because if it's pleasing to the ears, it's good for me. So the JBL T110 was on sale for around 850 rupees on Amazon and I got myself one. First of all, let's unbox this. The package comes with JBL T110 earphones, some extra ear tips and the paperwork. The package and the presentation looks good. Let's talk about the design and the build quality. The housing of the T110 is very small and made of plastic but feels solid and well finished. It feels lightweight and durable. The cable is flat, tangle free and robust with an inline microphone and a single button control. Unfortunately, there is no volume control, which I would have loved to see. The earphones have a slight angle and this design makes it more comfortable in the ear canal. The 3.5mm jack is gold plated and also has a less of an angle to it. So, how does this sound? As advertised, the JBL T110 has a more pronounced bass and extended frequency compared to other earphones in the same price bracket. Mid-bass is punchy and energetic, and even sub-bass has a pretty good depth. The JBL is able to warm up the sound and provide enough energy to music without making the whole sound muddy or too congested. Considering the price, the JBL T110 provides an exceptional listening experience. Let's talk about the cons. The plastic build is something you should care about, or else I don't think it would last much longer. I hope that this earphone lasts more than a few months. Even though the box comes with 2 additional sizes of ear tips, I couldn't find a correct match for my ears, and sometimes it falls off while listening to music. So, apart from these minor drawbacks, which could be excused considering the price, the T110 is one of the best in-ear earphones you can find in the market right now. For 850 rupees, it's a steal, and sometimes the price even drops to around 550 rupees on Amazon. So that's it guys. If you like the video, be sure to drop a like and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel for more videos from us. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.